Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, so this is a little lane called Quai, which I probably mispronounced. But it's a really nice little space in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to meander in here a little bit into this Travessa, and then we're also going to wander over into these areas too, where the arcades are at, along the Malo Street. And we're going to meander around a little bit and just kind of show you all what it looks like. And I'm going to start it with a little video about highlighting what we're going to see, starting at this little lane right here. And then we'll come back and do the walk and talk, and I'll explain it all. So this is going to be labeled Travessa de Quai. Okay, Macau, this was Quai Lane, Travessa. So this particular one, I'll put it on the map behind me, and then I'm going to play a little bit of music about San Malo. This is off of San Malo, where we're going to be following a lot of this, so you can see some of that in the background, San Malo. And then our lane is kind of small, but I'm going to be looping around in this area so you get an idea of where the lane is at and put some context to it as well. And I'm going to do 75 seconds of music, and then I'm going to do the walk and talk with the camera. So stay tuned. Another slice of Macau.
Sun, 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 Malo. Show me the lights, those dim bright lights of San Malo. Show me, show me, show me San Malo. Walk with me, walk with me, walk with me to San Malo. From the inner harbor to the outer bay, the arcades, the city lights, so, so bright. Show me, show me, show me San Malo. San Malo, San Malo. Oh, 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 San Malo.
Okay, so Travessa de Quai. It's a beautiful architecture, beautiful green pastel street, and they also have some nice. Let's see, we're gonna walk over there in a second. It has some nice, I guess they're like drinks and such like that. So let's go into this area a little bit. Nice architecture everywhere. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to just kind of highlight this for a second, and then we're going to go inward and kind of meander around, and then come back out to this street. But this is going to be our target street. Got the lanterns right there as well. There's the beautiful black and white tiles, and you also have places to sit in here as well. And there's a nice coffee shop straight ahead, which is a 3-story coffee shop. Yeah, actually, a lot of times there would be people in here enjoying this space. But nowadays, a lot of people can come up to this coffee shop as well. So let me just kind of come on this way. And then there's a lane that goes down this way. And we're just gonna meander around in these alleys a little bit and give you some context for this lane, just so you can fully understand what it is. I'm a little bit curious if that on the other side is the same lane. But yeah, check that out. That's a really beautiful building. So we're gonna say goodbye to our lane, but we're gonna come back to it. So what I'll do is I'll meander around a little bit. That's what this is all about. That's our coffee shop right there. That's our balcony with those that overlooks our Target Street right there. Man, that's so beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna meander through this alley, and then we're gonna come back to our lane. Just kind of give you some context. So it does go inland a little bit. I think these are apartment that is down, that is no longer there anymore. Got some nice lighting tonight as well. And we're basically walking where we're going to be between a main street called Malo and another street called Felicidade. So this is kind of an area where it has a lot of history to it. Here's the temple at the beginning. You got Tudipo and Tudigong. Really nice. And then this is actually a pedestrian street right here. And that goes all the way down to Felicidade, which is like a historic entertainment district. Then this right here is a little this goes up. This is called Mercadore Street. So it also has these beautiful little lanes that go up into the like historic area of Macau. And the lighting is just about right now too. Oh, they got this guy's out tonight. So we're gonna come around and go back to our lane. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on meandering. So we're gonna go back that way, and then we're gonna go around. We also have these little patios here too. I'm just gonna step in. There's a restaurant right in the corner. Actually, I might just go all the way through. Just because this alley is kind of cool, and there's a restaurant in it that people will come to. And you also got some nice windows right there too. Okay. So these are a couple of popular restaurants. And we're gonna come around the corner like this. And then now we're gonna be in kind of a nice little alley. Got a nail shop in here. So gonna meander through. There's actually quite a few people in here today. Huh. I think there's something going on here today. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Oh, I think they're waiting for the bus. So maybe this is kind of a popular spot to sit and wait for the bus, and then when they go on the bus, they can. And then this goes to all the way up to Senado Square. And we got all this nice architecture, including this central hotel right there. So we're gonna head back down. It's kind of a busy bus stop right here. This is San Malo. Got these little becos like this one. Okay. The lighting is just about right. So we're back at this little plaza. Space like that right there. Got that nice Hotel Central right there as well. That one is selling some maybe like herbal tea, I think. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our space. A lot of buses coming through right now. Black and white. Has some nice things in it as well, including the things like that. Kind of ocean references. And now we're back at our target street. So that kind of gives you an idea of what this little lane is all about. And these little patios that kind of run off of the main street, San Malo. So we saw a few other ones as well. Then we got a coffee shop that looks out as well. Pretty cool. And then we're gonna end the video. By coming down like that. Travessa Quai.